Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I put up a link to a free summer e-cookbook from Veg News. They put something together in collaboration with PCRM, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. 10 recipes, and this is one of them. When I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, I've got to make this. It's of course it's not entirely free. You have to give them your email address, but that's not that big a deal. I mean, you can unsubscribe immediately after you get the ebook. So I would encourage people to go back. I'll put a link to it again, but I would encourage people to go back and sign up for this book if it's still available. There's some beautiful, beautiful recipes. This is the pistachio pesto lemon pizza, and you make a nice homemade pesto out of basil. The olive oil is optional. You can use water. It's PCRM after all. It's got pistachios in it and some lemon juice and some lemon zest. And so then you get your pizza base. This is just one I bought from the health food store. I didn't bother to make one from scratch. You spread on the pesto, put cheese. This is follow your heart, mozzarella, and then you put thinly sliced red onions, thinly sliced lemons, and chopped pistachios. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna try some. I have never had cooked lemons like this ever, so I'm very interested in trying this out. Wow. It's super good. I guess the baking mellows out the sourness, because it's not like biting into a fresh raw lemon at all. Oh, I mean, there's still some tang, but it's absolutely delicious. What a wonderful pizza. What a great creative idea. I may go ahead and put this recipe on my blog since it's free anyway. Giving